Welcome to SmartChain Ark, the AI-powered Web3 infrastructure platform. Many teams face three critical challenges in Web3: high technical barriers, long development cycles, and significant security risks. Our ABC strategy provides a complete solution. A for AI intelligence. B for blockchain infrastructure. C for cross-chain interoperability. SmartChain Ark integrates AI customer service, DeFi aggregation, and cross-chain bridging, meeting all enterprise needs in one platform. We've served over 50 enterprise clients, processed over $100 million in transactions, with 99.9% uptime. The global Web3 market is projected to exceed $500 billion by 2030. Now is the perfect time to get involved. The future is here. Join SmartChain Ark, and let's build the next decade of Web3 together.